So let's go to pages and make sure we're on the home page, okay? And you can see that all of the components, most of them are purple, but then you do have this header one. Header is green, and footer right down the bottom here is green as well. And these components appear on all the pages. So let's go ahead now and just add in a button next to the menu. So what we can do is click on the plus icon, double click into header, and you can see now we are editing the header. If you take a look up here where the home button is, where the home dropdown is, and you then double click on it, you'll see that now you're kind of into a grouped, we call it like a grouped component. All right, so let's grab button, let's move it across, and it does kind of snap in, and we've got a button right there. And then we can add in a button called sign up. We can add a link. I'll just put a test link in there for now. And then you can make it smaller. You can also change the icon direction, and you can also put in these other icons as well. And then if you click on review changes, this shows all of the components that need to be saved. So let's just publish them. And then if we preview it, we've got now a nice button there. And we just did that without requiring a developer, and it just worked. So adding this stuff to the header is easy. Let's now chuck something into the footer. Again, scroll right down to the bottom, double click in the footer, and let's put a bit of text in there and kind of snap it in. You can see that sometimes trying to figure out where things can snap in. Again, this is just my experience from using these kind of block editors. Like if you use Notion or something like that, they're very similar. They're kind of like snap in. Sometimes you might be able to snap it in between, but you can kind of see that, yeah, it kind of snaps in there. Add in a bit of, text goes here, and you can make it bold, and then chuck it in there, save it, save all, and you're done. There you go. And now if let's go to our home page, and we have our header up the top here. We'll click on pricing page. Again, it's changed up the top here, and then right down at the bottom, we have our custom bit of text.